It's our first day with the goats. When we got home last night, we didn't have the fencing finished, so they didn't get to run around and play. So the kids are just in with them for the first time, and they're really excited.
Just walked away from the baby goat because she didn't want him.
Be nice to the baby.
I just want to pick it up.
So the baby can actually get out of the holes in the cattle panel.
Hello.
But
This is where they live.
that's where the goats live?
Yeah, and the thing that's holding us open is...
That's the latch. Oh, the bucket of water.
The bucket of water, and I think they drank out of it.
Good. Give the mommy scratches on her back.
Baby. Yeah, and the baby eats some of it.
Move slowly. Move slowly. There you go. There you go. Okay, pick it up. Too heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey guys. Milking some goats. We are on milk number 3. The first 2 were not super successful, but it looks like mama goat is getting more used to this experience. Turns out we have to hold baby goat because otherwise she cries the whole time or tries to eat mommy goat's food. Mommy goat getting milked. Oh, Clarky, can you help her?
She got mad.
She knocked her food over. No, she's not mad. She just was like being picky.
Oh my gosh. That's so scary.
Tyler's pro.
We
Third
need
try.
more food. She's mad.
Okay, put some more in. You want me to help you?
Try one. I'm covered in milk.
Oh yeah. The first one, she was kicking the bucket everywhere. We finally found these ropes to keep her legs. It like helps her be more calm. She's super full of milk today. It's her first day with only 1 baby instead of 3. Clarky's dying. Clarky, what do you want to do? You want to milk the goat? Show him how to do it.
Squeeze at the top and then work your way down. Okay? You just pinch it closed at the top and then squeeze.
I just got shot in the foot. Mommy goat, you're doing good, except you lost all your food because you knocked it on the floor. I'll get you some more. We're gonna have to figure out how to secure that bucket.
I need to sit.
What's wrong, Clarky?
I need to sit.
You need to sit. Oh, Dad, can he try to sit? Okay. All right, hurry up.
Are you ready?
She's gonna run out of time. Hurry quick, her udders are really full. Good, Clarky. Hey, Clarky, are you milking a goat?
I just squirted me.
I'll go get the baby. She doesn't like that the baby is crying.
Oh, I squirted myself.
Look at this goat. The baby goat likes to pretend like she is trapped in there with her mommy, but she sneaks out when we're not paying attention. Sneaky, sneaky. You funny little goat. If I get up though, will he just go back in? Hello, Miss Pearl. Are you gonna be my friend? Are you gonna be my friend? Stay here, Pearl. Stay here, Pearl. Oh, you sneaker. Funny little sneaker pants. They're like, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Aren't they funny? Are you paying attention to me? I'm gonna pretend like you're not looking at me. One of the great things about the kids being home so much lately is that they have really gotten to be really good at helping out with the chores. Hey Levi, what is your chore that you like to do? All of them? Okay, what's the job that I ask you to do every morning?
Giving the geese water.
Giving the geese water? Just water, or
Sometimes food.
sometimes if they're out of food, it's your job to give them food, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Let's watch you do it. Go on. You don't like it? It's not called work because it's fun, right? Are you going down that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done it before. Yep, it doesn't. It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt? Okay. He dumps out the water. And it waters our fruit trees. And then he puts the hose in, and Mom turns the water on for him. And then he fills up the bucket. And then I gotta go down and dump this out. This is where they take a bath every day. It gets dirty fast. So it doesn't get dirty because of their bath. It just gets dirty because the ducks put their beak like in the dirt to find bugs. Then they have to clean their beak out. Then they put their beak back in the water. Then they put their beak back in the dirt and back in the water, and so on and so forth. It gets very messy, very muddy. But we like them to be able to take a clean bath every day. So while Levi's filling up that bucket, I climb under this chamoya tree and come refill, dump out and refill their pond. Are you all done? Mm-hmm. Okay, come over here. Let's do the pond. Oh, I got splashed. I'm trying to get as much of this under the tree as I can get. And then we move it to another tree. I gotta wash my arms off. So now what do we gotta go do? Let the geese out. He's so cute. She's so cute. All right, Levi. Geese. Geese. All right, then let's switch hands. No, don't bite me. All right, little geese. Not so little geese. Time to go in. So here's the geese coming to take their bath, and the ducks go straight for that muddy dump out water. See what I was talking about? They like play in the water, the mud, looking for bugs and stuff. Spinning back over to the geese. Getting cleaned up. Usually Lucy goes in first and then Emmett follows, but for some reason Emmett went in today first. He was looking pretty dirty, so I can see why he took a good bath. So these are Sebastopol geese, and they cannot fly. Their curly feathers keep them from flying. We got these guys as rescue geese. They were taken to the Humane Society. And the Humane Society couldn't even take them. And so then someone reached out to us and we took them. And the girl, she actually has what's called angel wing, which means that her fingers, like the closest thing she has to fingers, like where the part of her wings are that would be the fingers, they kind of spay out. And that was probably because she was fed too much protein when she was too young. Geese are much more grazers than other animals in the bird family. They eat a lot of grasses and greens. And if they get too much protein, they actually end up with that angel wing look to their feathers. And back over to those ducks. Going for food. I love this. This is like one of my favorite parts of the day, getting to watch them take their bath. So cute. So he's using his head to help spread the water across the back of his feathers, and then he uses his head to like splash the water onto his back. So with chickens and turkeys, they just need like a little tiny bit of water, shallow water, to be able to dip their beak into, where ducks and geese actually need to be able to get their whole head wet. Their eyes have to be cleaned really well every day.
Why do they, Mom?
So they have to wash their eyes every day so they don't get eye infections. So turkeys and chickens are not as likely to get those eye infections. See, now he's using his beak to clean his feathers on his front. His curly breasted feathers. Yeah, that top of his head, it's browner than it used to be. I'm not sure if that's like him getting older, or if he's just not.
It's just dirty.
Yeah, maybe he's not getting it clean enough. I'm not sure. Back over to these ducks, playing in the mud. Ducks are the messiest. I mean, we like them, but they're messy. So their mud is starting to like seep down into this soil, like to the dirt. So they're gonna come over to this pond in just a minute, I'm sure. These guys saw me come over. They're like, hey, what are you gonna give me? Give me something tasty. Want some bugs? I keep some snacks for them in here. What's up, guys? The mama goat can open the latch? Oh my goodness. Yum, yum. Okay, now what are you going to do, Levi? Okay, grab them. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Ruby just said the mommy goat is trying to get in.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what in the heck? That is weird, huh?
Yeah, I think it's one of the ceramics.
Huh.
I think another one might be ceramic. Probably also ceramic.
I don't think it is. This is a
tiny egg?
That's one of our eggs, yeah. Okay, grab the other ones.
So light.
That's the ceramic egg. I'm not sure if that's a ceramic egg. Okay, grab the other ones.
It's cracked.
I know, I'm gonna have to crack it open and see what's going on. All right, put it in. Good. Will you put the ceramic egg back in there?
Yeah, where's the other ceramic egg?
I put it in with the other chickens.
And
Good morning, Adam and Eve. I just filled up their food container. Let's check on those baby chickens. Okay, so these are our baby chicks that are maybe 3 weeks old or 4 weeks old. We've been getting nice warm weather, and so they just moved outside yesterday. And it looks like they're doing really good. So I'm gonna give them bugs. This is a rooster for sure. Wait, stay back inside. So these are the babies of the ones I had just fed. And I'm pretty sure the one that just jumped out is a rooster, and this one right here that's dark is a rooster. Because they're like more red in the face. This one is probably the rooster. Look, that's your mama. That's your mama. She's gonna try to peck you because she doesn't know she's your mama. Okay, let's go check out these turkeys and teenage chickens. Ruby, do you want to give them the bugs? Mm-hmm. Let me have your stick. Go in.
It's not because I'm scared they're going to hurt me. It's because of all the pain.
Mm-hmm. That's why we have outside only shoes, huh? Just throw it. Just throw it. No. Like, yeah, throw it.
Why won't they go and get it?
Because they have to learn.
Okay.
Turkey's got it first. Mm-hmm.
Maybe because the chickens aren't even paying attention.
I know. What's up, chickens? Go see what's up.
Oh, the rest of the
There we go. Now they're like, oh, wait, I want some of that.
Oh,
Except
all
this
of
one.
the chickens figured it out first. And then the last turkey's just hanging out. And it's not even paying attention.
Well, as it turns out, this video has taken a couple of days to make. Sorry. When you're homeschooling 4 kids and taking care of the animals and the farm, time just gets away from you. But the good news is the ducklings are out of their incubator, so we can take a look at them now. Hey, baby ducklings. So this is their heating element. So if I put my hand under it, I can't feel any heat until I really push up on the bottom of it. There's this metal plate. And they like to put their little backs on it, see? It gets pretty warm, really. So they go over, they get warm, and then they stay warm while they come out. And then they like to come over and take a drink. So what I think is funny is that they kind of all like go into a line and wait their turn. And then one kind of like forgets and moves around. So we think we have 2 girls and 3 boys. So these 2 would be the girls and those 3 are the boys. And that's really just based on, let me pick it up and show you. See how its beak is like a pinker color here? Hi, sweetie. Go down, careful. And then let me grab one that's got a darker beak to show you. Hi, bud. See, this one's got a darker beak. With this breed, the Welch Harlequins, you can tell the first few days the boys from the girls. And then their beaks kind of all end up becoming closer to the same color, and their coloring all changes and you can't tell anymore. So if I really wanted to, I could put some sort of marking on them to keep track of which ones are boys or girls. But in a few weeks or months, they're gonna be super obvious if they're boys or girls. So for me, I'm happy to keep all 6 of these at this time, and then let them all live together. And then when it's breeding season, we will just take the boys out that are too many boys. Look at this one. I like how it has kind of like this white, the stripes on the side of its head. Let me get it. Come here, bud. Hi. Oh, I know. You like your brothers and sisters, huh? Actually, I'm not even sure that these are brothers and sisters. They might be cousins. They came from a friend who has like a few dozen ducks. So they might be like cousins or second cousins even. Might even be brother and sister for all I know. But definitely the lady that we got them from, she said she collected all the eggs one day and then gave me all the eggs the next day. So they each have at least a different mom. Kind of fun. So this is their waterer. So I have it on this tray because they like to splash in their water and then it will get their straw too wet. So I got a old milk carton and just kind of cut out a circle so they can put their heads in and splash around. And then sometimes they actually go in and take a bath in there. And then I used just like a lighter to kind of like soften this edge so it wouldn't be rough for them. And then this is their food. Eventually I'll have to get a bigger container, but for now it's just a little container for them. And this is where they'll hang out for a couple weeks while they're getting bigger. Fun stuff. So we haven't named them yet because there's so many animals on our farm right now. I think we're close to 50 between all the chickens and turkeys. Let's see, chickens, turkeys, ducks, geese, ducklings, dog, cats, kittens, goats, turtles. Oh, turtle, one turtle. Frogs, tadpoles, fish. We might be at more than 50. But the turtle came yesterday. You want to go see the turtle? Come on. I think I might have forgotten to mention that there's bunnies too. Yikes, so many animals over here. So this turtle is a red-eared slider. And I'll let you see it while I'm telling you about it. Here it is. So this is a red-eared slider, and it was moving along in my friend's backyard. It probably came from one of the local ponds and was picked up by some predator that was going to eat it and then dropped it from the sky. She lives kind of close to a park that has a pond with turtles like this inside of it, but not close enough that it would have walked over there. So she didn't want to keep it, but she reached out to see if anybody else wanted it. And of course, crazy Christy with her tons of animals decided, yes, of course I need a turtle. Isn't it cute? It's so tiny. Let me show you compared to my hand. Like when I saw the picture my friend sent me of it, I thought it was like bigger than my hand, but it's teeny. Hi, little red-eared slider. Oh, you sneaky guy. So we got to make like a nice little enclosure for it and keep it safe, and that will come, but we just got it last night. Hi, bud. And we decided to name it Moose The friend that we got it from recently lost her doggie, whose name was Moose, and so in honor of Moose, we named our turtle Moose. Hey guys, do you see that baby? That sneaky baby? She is actually out of her fence. I feel like that's a problem I gotta fix. But she's cute. Hi guys. How you doing? We found out, you know how like sometimes you just think you know things but you don't? Like everything, you know, I hear from people is that goats will eat anything. Like books we read to children are about that the goats will eat like tin cans and stuff, which is apparently not true. And in theory, sure, they'll like nibble on anything, but there are some things that are not safe for them. So everything we give them, we have to like check and make sure that it's safe for them. And our very first day that the goats were here, we didn't know that they could not eat avocado leaves. And we have this avocado tree over here, and the kids were feeding it avocado leaves. And apparently that is very toxic for goats. So that was really scary. I was really scared we were gonna lose our goats on our first night. But they look like they're doing okay, so that's good. Thank you for watching. If you get a chance, go ahead and like this video and comment and say something so we know that you're there. And if you'd like to see more, go ahead and subscribe. This is Christy with Sapphire Skies Farm. I hope you got a chance today to get outside, get your hands dirty, and enjoy some sunshine. Bye.